y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video. As you can see, your girl's in the kitchen. As you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen about to cook one of our favorite dishes in Cameroon. They call it Eru. So for today, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare my own Eru, my own recipe on how I prepare Eru. So many people have requested for cooking video, and yeah, now the cooking video is right, guys. The ingredients we will be using for the recipe. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's just get right into it. Thank you so very much for all the love and the support on my channel, guys. So still here, I don't have a good internet, but I promise you guys, when I have a good internet, I'm gonna come to your videos and show you guys the same love you guys have been showing on my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. And alright, okay, let's just get right into our recipe. So guys, for this recipe, your girl has some water leaf here. This one is a main target when it comes to Eru. If you don't have water leaf, your Eru will never be so delicious. So I got me some cubes here, we call it Maggi cubes, and I got me some salt right here, and I got me some dry fish. You know, it's been like forever your girl has not tasted dry fish, so I got me a lot of dry fish, and I got me some meat, some red meat, and some taurus here. And you can see I got some Cameroon hot pepper right here, and here I got me some crayfish, and here is the Eru itself, like what we are cooking Eru. All these ingredients right here are gonna be mixed into this Eru. So guys, let's just get into the pot and get started. Light up your gas and you put your pot. It doesn't matter if the pot is hot or not, you go in with your water leaf. And when your water leaf is been in the pot, you just go ahead and cover your pot. You let it sit for at least 5 minutes before you stir it. So guys, after 5 minutes, this is how it's looking like. So I'll just let it cook for a little bit more. So I put this water leaf inside the pot with nothing like water, so you don't need to put any water because the water leaf itself got a lot of water. So you just put the water leaf plain in your pot with no water. Okay, so that's what I did. As you can see, we have a lot of water already inside. So I'll just go ahead and still cover the pot and let it cook for a while. So now from this level, as your water leaf have gone brown, you just need to start adding in my Eru. So here is my Eru. I will just start putting it in. And when putting in your Eru, you need to take the quantity of your water leaf, because if you get the Eru too much than the water leaf, your Eru won't be nice. It will be strong in your mouth, like you won't be able to enjoy it. So when you put it, you just go ahead and stir it up to mix it up together. So at this point in time, the Eru is well mixed. As you guys can see, this is how your Eru should be looking like when you mix up everything. So I'll go in now with my palm oil. It's like I did not mention the palm oil, so I'll just go in with some quantity. Always make sure you don't put a lot. Like me, I don't eat too much red oil, so always make sure to not put too much from the beginning. Wow. So when you put your palm oil, just go ahead and mix it well up. So that's when you get at this level of your Eru, you just need to start adding all your ingredients inside. So I'll go in now with my pepper. Just put it inside, go in with my fish, put in my meat. I'll just start putting in everything. I haven't put any seasoning yet because I put quite a lot of seasoning on the meat and the fish, so I need to first pour in my meat and the fish and get the taste before I can add any more seasoning. So that is why I have not put yet any seasoning inside. So I'll just mix up everything up. So guys, when I'm done with this, I'll just go in now with my seasoning, go with a little bit of salt because I tasted it and it's not enough, and I go in with my cubes. And I will mix it up. So guys, this is my first dish ever on my channel. Like, so many people have been requested ever since when I was in Lebanon. So many people have been requested. I know that we need some cooking video. A girl cannot just be beautiful and doing makeup and all the rest without knowing how to do the real deal in the kitchen. So I just said, okay, let me just come up with this first cooking video on my channel on how I prepare my own meal, my own country meal, you know. So that's it. I hope you guys love the video, and please, if you do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to be seeing more on my channel. If you want more cooking videos, more makeup videos, more hair videos, just let me know. I think I still have to add a little bit of oil in this thing, so I'll just let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and I open it up and I see how far. So after 10 minutes, this is how your Eru should be looking like boiling and doing all the stuff. So I'll just go in, stir it. I still need oil in this Eru. So I'll go in now with my crayfish and pour it in here, mix it up. So okay, as you can see from this level, we'll just go in and add a little bit of oil. And guys, when preparing your Eru, you need to be very careful. And you need to have, when preparing your Eru, you need to have a lot of water, because you need to wash all the vegetable properly to avoid any sand on all the rest. Okay, sorry I did not show you guys how I wash the vegetable and all the rest, but if you want to see a video on how I prepare them, comment down below and I will definitely do a video for you. Okay, so I'm just mixing up. I'm just mixing everything up. I will close the pot again, and I'll just go ahead and taste if the seasoning and everything is okay. Oh my god, Eru always have a smell. When you start cooking Eru, when you start preparing your Eru, you always just have that aroma coming out from it. Like, I will have one delicious aroma from it. So okay, so I'll go in and cover my pot, let it cook, for more 10 minutes, and I am done with the cooking. So after 10 minutes, you can see my Eru is ready. Guys, if you only can get the aroma coming up from this meal, you want to prepare yours tomorrow, or better still, you want to join me right away. So guys, I think that will be all about the video for today. Thank you so much for watching right up to this moment, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me just go ahead and taste it up one more time. Yeah, everything is good. The seasoning and all the rest is okay. So I'll just turn off my gas. And that is how my Eru is looking like. So with this Eru, we eat it with so many things. You can eat this with gari, you can eat this with apple, you can eat this with something we call water fufu. What I'm gonna eat with, I'm gonna eat it with plantain, because I know some of you say no, Anora, please don't spoil that Eru. But if I just try to eat gari, it's gonna like hurt my stomach for a long while, so I always avoid it. I love Eru so much, but I cannot eat Eru with what you always eat Eru with. I eat Eru with cocoyams or plantain, something like that. So that's it. So that's all about the video for today. I love you all so very much. I hope you like the video. I hope you love my cooking video. So your girl got a lot of stuff to do. I got a lot of cleaning to do. As you can see, the gas is being messed up. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep showing the love, okay? For the haters, I love you all so much. Just keep the love spread. I definitely will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you.